Okay, so super stoked to be here with you today. This is day one of posting until I get 10,000 per month. I'm not happy today, as you can see. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Just post. Whatever, fuck. Anyway, what I was doing is building an app for productivity because I suck at it. And mostly I don't stay consistent. So that's why I built something to help me stay consistent. The problem, it was too complex. Fucking shit. You can see here it was all over the place. The dashboard that doesn't work. Well, doesn't work. It's not properly done. And tasks and habits and then AI integrations that don't, yeah, first review, then a quick review, it was a simplified version of that one, and then an AI coach, which was supposed to help, and then an AI, let's just move to the side because an AI assistant that uh, worked fairly good actually. You had your task here and you could ask questions and it had context and it helped you do that, and then you had voice calls and voice notes and it was a fucking mess, and the code was like super long and it kept messy and things that anyway, not good. Let's start from scratch, simplify, make something that works, that's easy to use, and not this piece of shit. So just a sec, I need my notes, I forget everything. So notes. Notes. Um, so super easy. First is an input. So you put here your tasks, your goals, and your habits or whatever the fuck you want to do. Then this goes to the doing thing. So this, and this is similar to this one. So it knows what you have to do, so it marks it as you select, the ones that are non-negotiable and whatever. You can see here I'm consistency, and anyway, that's what I'm trying to fix. And every night, depends on the time you set it on the settings, an AI will call you and will look at the tasks that you did and will look at the time that you spend on each, not on each task, but on a general overview of what you should have been working, and will say, hey, you have been working, good job. Or, hey, you piece of shit, you need to keep working because you haven't done the things that you said you do. And if you don't do them, you are not getting get ahead. Doing requires doing. So it makes sure you do the things you said you would. And then when you finish that, the it's gonna be AI, but it was no AI. Just normal. You will pick things. So you plan and then you do, and someone makes sure that you do what you said you were gonna do. Make sense? Hopefully. Oh, what? No. What? No. How this works? Okay, figure it out. I figured, sort of. Yes. Hopefully. Hopefully this is good and people pay me, or at least this is good and I do what I'm supposed to do, because I'm having issues working outside my main job and it consumes a lot of energy. It's getting too complex and hard to use, and it didn't have a mobile app, so it's not the best. And I tried to push in AI things as much as I could when it didn't make sense. I mean, it would be cool, but if the basics are not right, don't try to add on things. So very simple input, doing, making sure, just making sure the AI calls you and make sure that you do the things that you said you do. So now that I've tested this thing and yeah, let's build from scratch. Yay. What a fucking disappointment. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna make myself smaller so you can see. This is Riley and Ash template. He's a very cool guy that shares everything, and actually time flies. This is September and fuck. AI coach. I don't feel that's a good name. Do your fucking work. App version 1. I used to use Cursor, but now that whatever this is, yeah, they integrated Sonnet into the assistant. It's good. It's much better than the agent. The agent is not good. Cursor, I think it's better, but having it integrated is nicer. If you're curious about it, you can check Rayleigh's community. He's great. But now, on to the thing. How to start? How to start? How to start? I need... This has become so complex. Let's start with the layout and then the 3 steps. Just say anything. So yeah, I'm not feeling very inspired right now. Let's go back here. The app is gonna be super simple, so 3 steps only. Inputs, doing, and reviewing, let's say, and a force review. And you have tools that will help you with that, or help you. Well, there's tools for many things actually. There's reminder tools, which is the AI call and the SMS. There's habits like the rule of 100 or mostly thing that it will make sure you complete this rule of 100. An offer crafting tool, which is just an AI with 100 million offer things. As you can see, I'm a very fanatic, or mostly fanatic. And above all, it helps you stay accountable. And another tool I want to sort of a button. You can let's say cheering on demand, or when you're down and you're tired and whatever, you press the button and someone calls you, an AI, of course. I'm not gonna call. Well, maybe I call you. And makes sure to reframe your mind or whatever, just to start doing and doing and doing, because that's the only thing that matters. That you do the things that you need to do in order to be, or in order to get to where you want to go. Super simple. I don't want any complexity, so I will make this super simple and then add tools, and not mixing as everything here was a mess. Yeah, I don't even know what you did, but let's apply everything instantly and hope for the best. This took me a couple months, actually, and I'm quite ashamed of that because of the inconsistency. Fuck, it's horrible. It's gonna take a while. And I should connect to the Firebase first, I think, because if I do that later, it's gonna. It's so long. I need to watch the tutorial again. I mean, you can do your fucking work. That's great. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and you can check it on the release template. It's better than mine, so I think I have issues. Time flies. This was published 84 days ago. So, here, whatever. Fuck is this? The cool thing about it is the already code. I mean, you've seen it everywhere. So, but you can. It's magic. Sometimes it's magic. Sometimes it's amazing. Sometimes it's shit. But it's really magic, and it's gonna. I hate it when they say it's gonna. It's the best worst. Oh, this is the worst that it's gonna get, and everything like that. But no, it can get worse. It's worse. It's so fucking ugly. And I don't think this is. Yeah. Oh, I remember the struggle to make it beautiful, or at least usable. And oh, shit, it was not a good idea to think from scratch. It was a struggle. It was a struggle to make it like this. So just can you tasks? I need to make it usable. So should I do the skeleton or should I? Yeah, I think I should do the skeleton thing. And since I know how to fix tasks, okay, good, but too much good. No, so many. No, fuck you. Undo this. Mm, I want you to copy style, but keep it just 3 steps. Undo and review. So yeah, the skeleton. So plan, do, and review. Yeah, I thought so. Um, let's go step by step. I want to create task inside Firebase. Makes sense? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. To store. Hmm. It's gonna be a struggle. Fuck, what did I do? Why do I need to redo it all again from scratch? Because it was bad and it was messy. It's the right thing to do. It's the right thing to. I need to change my fucking chair as well. That's right. That's how you do it. You start from scratch every time. That's how you make progress. Um, okay. Mm, it looks correct, so I'm just gonna check. So, as it happened before, the tasks are created, but he hasn't a way to visualize it inside. So I can create a new task. I remember these problems and Harvey's and okay. It's creating. What am I doing? Okay, it's creating the tasks, but it's not showing them on the app. Can you retrieve them from Firebase? Let's make my beautiful face bigger. And I know I'm too lazy. Too lazy to read. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. That's wisdom. That's It doesn't work. It works. Okay. I didn't expect it to work. Um, should I fix this or should I go to the next step? I think I should go to the next step. On the Do tab, you need to retrieve the tasks from Firebase that are due today. No. From Firebase. And while it does that, I'm gonna think. So on the Do tab, I already have what I want. So I'm just gonna copy and paste what I already got. Is this? Projects. I forgot how to add projects here. New. This is non-negotiable, and this is non-negotiable, and this is much better. So, copy. Pray to the gods of AI that it knows what it's doing, because I don't. I have no fucking I have a clue. Look at my notes. Look at my fuck. It's not working. Why? It's fucking so. Anyway. So lazy. I have to read. What did you do? Is this connected? I don't fucking care. Just make it look okay. And then we'll fix it on post. Okay, so it's doing strange stuff. This for sure. This is not good. Yeah, of course. It's just check. Okay. It's just doing what I tell it to do, so I cannot complain. I need the task. What am I doing? From Firebase to appear on the Do tab. Not working? I need to switch to Mac. I need the tasks from Firebase to appear on the Do tasks so I can check them if I completed them or not. Also, tasks from Firebase should have due date, status completed or incomplete. Is it normal task or non-negotiable? Uh, and what else? I need to check. What else do you have here? So you have a task description, it is nothing. This is a project associated to the task. So it's a tag. We modify the loop page. Is this working? Or let's update the file status. Is this working? Yeah, it's working, so I just need to wait. No projects for the moment. It looks very simple. I don't know if it's because I have a chaotic mind and I get lost easily in my own thoughts, or it's not that simple as it looks. Okay, ID, yeah, it's important text, string, status completed, yeah, due dates. I don't know if this is correct. Is not technology, yes, created at string. Okay, yeah, seems okay. Applying changes. Come on, our workspace available. What the fuck? Come on, our workspace. Workspace is available. The tasks now includes. Fucker. Let's delete this. Fuck. Fuera. Y fuera. Y ahora. Did he do something or not? Yeah. I'm just gonna pause here for a second. I think it's getting boring. Something that I remember is that you need to give very clear instructions, and the smaller the task it is, the better it does. So if you give, who would have thought, ambiguous or non-clear instructions, or too many things at once, it will do worse. And also, if you stay in the same composer, it starts to do crazy things sometimes because it has to read all the things. So it's from now and then new tasks, new composers, new assistants, or yeah, whatever. Here it says it has done it, but I cannot click on it, so it has not done it. And sometimes it happens. In the code it says there's some bug, or yeah, who cares? And it looks like we have our first server error or bug, or there's something here that is weird. This is new. And I hate when things don't work. sometimes I feel that this is pointless. But I haven't gone through truly. And this is the time that I will go through truly and make this fucking work. I have done an implementation with a business software. And it's going so. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be hard, or I'm lacking skill, or it's maybe a combination of both. But it's fucking awful. And it's horrible when things don't work. And it makes me appreciate a lot the work of other people's that do things that work. Anyway, I'm gonna fix this fucking bug and I'll see you tomorrow.